Hey y'all, welcome back to What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we got a special recipe, something I've never done before, but I found it on the internet, so I figured we'd give it a try. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, relax, and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, today what we're going to cook is bacon wrapped jumbo cheddar hot dogs in the air fryer. Never done it before. Like I said, was looking for something new to cook. Found this on the internet, so we're going to give it a whirl. And what all they said to do was to take the bacon and wrap it around the dog. And this ain't very good bacon here, to let you know. And then gonna try to kind of center it up there a little bit and just place them down in the old air fryer basket here. So let's see if I can do this a little better than that last one. Alright, there's two. We're going to do as many as will fit in the basket here. So fingers are getting slippery. There's three. We might get four, we might get five in there. I planned on five, so let's try to get five of them in there. There's three. Oh, that's four, I'm sorry. Four. And let's get our fifth one here. Oh, the struggle is real here. I'm telling y'all. Alright. That one's not the prettiest one in the bunch, but alright. There we have it. Got them down in the air fryer basket. So I guess the only thing left to do is slide it in. I will tell you that I got the temperature set on nuclear, which is like 400 degrees on mine, and the recipe said to cook them for 5 minutes. I've cooked other bacon wrapped things in my air fryer. 5 minutes barely warms it, so I'm going to shoot for 12 to 15, and we'll probably do 10 and then check it from there. So let me get these in here, get the timer and everything set, and we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, I changed my mind. I'm going to do 4 instead of the 5 because I didn't like the way they were kind of touching in there, so I opted to pull the one out. I'll cook that one a little bit later, but if these turn out. But you know, I got them in there. Just going to slide it in. I'm going to set my timer for about 10 minutes. There's that, and we'll bring you all back whenever the timer goes off after 10 minutes, and let's see how they look. Alright y'all, we're getting ready for the timer to go off here. We're going to pull them out, look at them, and see what they look like. Any second now. Any second now. There we have it. Alright. Ooh, they're looking pretty good. But we want them a little browner, so we're going to put them back in there for maybe, I'm going to say another 5 minutes maybe. And we'll see what they look like then. So, set this timer for 5 minutes here. And we'll bring y'all back when it goes off again. Alright y'all, almost the moment of truth. This thing's about ready to shut off, so bring you back. We brought you back for that, and when this thing goes ding, hopefully they're going to be done to our liking. So I just want that nice brown crispiness on the outside, you know. So she's about ready to shut off here, and we'll see what she brings here. Any second now. Any second now. Come on. Come on. Come on, dogs. Come on. Alright. I might have to shut the camera off and bring you back. Hey, look at that. Threatening to shut it off, it goes off. So, alright. Let's see what these look like. Oh yeah. You guys can hear that little sizzling in there. Oh yeah. We got ourselves a plate here. And we'll get these plated up here. Oh, look at that. That barely fits in the bun there. Take this one here. Oh, look at that yumminess, y'all. Now I'm gonna not put any toppings on these yet, because I want to try them without the toppings, and we'll give you an honest opinion. Alright, y'all. Moment of truth. First, we got the beverage of the day. Got the cocoa moo juice, you know. Good for the body. Now, let's give one of these suckers here a try. See, got it all planed up here. Hot. Real hot. Because it's the truth they say, can't cook it cold, but them cheddar dogs, that bacon wrapped around there, it don't get much better than that. That's a good meal. So, thank you all for stopping by and checking out another one of these recipes. I appreciate it. If you watched this far, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe bell, or hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, out at the tractor pulls, just in general, every place we go. So, appreciate it. Don't forget about my weekly Sunday live streams, Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Stop in, hang out, have a good time with us. It's always a good time when we're, when you're hanging with the bear. So, appreciate it. Catch you all on the next one. Bear appetit.